Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to bring you my very first lingerie haul on this channel, and let's get into the video. So first up we have this really beautiful red nightgown. I found this in the sale section of Forever 21, which if you don't know, Forever 21 is actually closing in Canada and they've been having crazy sales, and of course, you know I've been there. So it has this black lace trim over here. It's sleeveless. This is how it looks from the back. It's so cute, so comfortable, and to be honest, I might even wear this out, like just to go out dancing with the girls or something. It goes all the way a little bit below my knees. Very beautiful, very sexy. I love it. Next up, we have this gorgeous robe with fur trim. Oh my goodness, it has really big armholes, but I don't know, I kind of dig it. You guys. So cute. So I got this in a size 16, US 16, I believe. And this one is from, I think, either Boohoo or A Pretty Little Thing. I will put it down below once I check. And yeah, it's right above my knees. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can. How cute. Yeah, so it's this cute pink robe, and then I'm just wearing this like lace little dress under it, but that one's from Shein. Let's not talk about that. Comes with this little tie over here. You could even take it off and then just wear it like this. It really depends on what you prefer. I would personally wear this probably while I'm doing my makeup or something, or even just lounging around the house because it's so comfortable. I can't wait. It looks like from the back. It also has the fur over here all the way to the back at the very end of the coat. Next up we have this really gorgeous, and I mean gorgeous, bra from Torrid. Yes, we actually have a Torrid in, went to go visit it not too long ago, and I didn't buy any clothes, but I got two things, and this is one of them. You could actually unclip this over here and it becomes a strapless bra, which I love. There's so many good things to say about this bra. Like, I've had it for 2-3 weeks and obsessed. I have not worn a bra in years. Like a proper bra where I actually feel confident, feel good and supported in so long. It's honestly life-changing. I actually forgot how my girls look like all the way up there, which is great. If you are looking for a Torrid, if you live in Vancouver, it's in Surrey and it's great. I got this on sale for $35 or somewhere less than $40, and it was like a buy one get one something deal, which is amazing because, as we know, Torrid can get a little pricey. I really love this. Very happy with my purchase. What I love about this bra is that they have really thick straps, and that provides a lot of support and comfort for me because I got the big girls and I got this in a size 46D. I can't say enough good things about that bra. Love it. I haven't worn a proper bra in a few years, to be honest, because I can't seem to find one that fits me properly and that supports me. Just an extra boost of confidence, which is always nice. Went ahead and I picked up another one, so that's the next piece. It's the exact same size as the other one. This is how it looks. It's meant to be worn for very low cut tops, but I wear a lot of low cut things anyway, so. And I honestly just went for it because of the color. It's just it's like a dusty rose. It's so cute and beautiful, and just, yeah, I love it. I just snatched those two off of the shelf because they're just beautiful and they just support me and I feel great. I put this back on to show you guys the next piece. I am so in love with this. I keep saying that, I know. There's so many good pieces in this haul. I'm beyond happy. It's this red robe as well. You guys, can we appreciate? Can we appreciate? Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the feathers. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm loving this so much. It's another robe. This one doesn't close, so it's meant to just be like on the side like this. This one is made of sheer material, unlike the other robe that I showed you a while ago. It's much thicker. That is the second robe of this haul. If I'm being totally honest, I will probably wear this out, knowing me, because I'm just extra like that. So next up we have this really beautiful bodysuit. It's sheer up here and down here where the stomach area is. I'm going to show you a little bit. I'm wearing pants because it's not about to be like that on this channel. That's how it looks. I'm obsessed with this. I cannot remember where I got it from or what the brand is, but I will put it down below if I end up remembering it or finding the tag somewhere. Sorry in advance. Little built-in bra under the mesh. Has this beautiful detailing. I'm not really sure what you call it. It has like a velvet feel to it with these like designs over here, and love it. And then it has a little hole in the middle, and then there's a clamp, or there's like a bra at the back that you have to, yeah, you get what I mean. Next we have this piece from Shein. It actually comes with a thong, but I got it in a 4X, and this is a little big, so I don't know if I'm gonna even wear that. It's really cute. I mostly bought it for the color. Maybe I can try this with a black bra, or actually I think you're meant to wear it without one, but I'm not gonna do that once again. It's just a sheer lace sleeveless top. I'm not really sure how I feel about it, but I do like the color, so I'm gonna give it that. That's all that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like. Consider subscribing to the channel. There's so much more coming. 2019 has just gone by so quickly. I can't believe how did that happen so fast. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. How cute is that? Adorable. I got it when I was at the KirbyCon. I think, yeah, it was Anthropology that was handing them out. It's so hot trying things on.
When you say it like that, let me fuck you right back, got me